that the second convocation which we had heard, and in my presence, the second. And the NIT, CIT Kokrajhar is really doing wonderful now. In last 1 year of this span, the infrastructure projects which we have about to complete now, most of them have been completed. The courses are under very good regularization. Now we are planning for the future development. And you will see in this 1 year of next year, most of the projects will come up, the infrastructure, the remaining infrastructure, the new boys hostel, whatever the remaining facilities. And moreover, I am more interested in the placement of the students, so that the Bodoland complete students are getting some employment after they graduate from here. And the latest cutting edge technology, as mentioned by Mohammad Boroji, that AI, data science, and the language, computer language, we are going to introduce soon. May not even the courses, at least we will have 1 week courses or 2 weeks courses initially, so that they are all aware of these latest cutting edge technology. They will be placed better. Thank you.